A big part of homesteading is baking and making your own food from scratch. In today's video, Jen and the girls take a 5-pound bag of flour and challenge ourselves to see how much food we can bake with this one bag of flour, plus a little bit of oil and some yeast. Stay tuned till the end of the video to see what we do with this $1.15 bag of flour. You'll be amazed.
We can stretch this flour to go. I'm planning on making pretzels, Katie's going to be doing noodles, Alyssa's going to be making tortillas, and I'm also going to be trying to make some bread as well. But we're going to see as far as we can stretch this bag of flour.
Getting the flour and all the stuff for the tortillas.
Do you know what you're doing?
Kind of. No, not really.
Jen, what are you working on?
I'm making my first batch of bread, and you need to use lukewarm water. Most people have a thermometer. I just kind of test it like on your fingers to see if it's warm enough. You don't want it too hot because you're going to kill the yeast in it. So I'm just going to put my water into my container, put my yeast in, let it sit. It'll bubble and froth, and then you know that your yeast is good.
Katie, what are you working on?
Noodles.
You're making chicken noodle soup, egg noodles. Alyssa, do you know what you're doing?
Not really.
Are you measuring or are you just eyeballing it?
No, I'm measuring.
What do you got in there so far?
Flour, oil, and water. I'm supposed to add salt, but I'm going to do that a little later. Obviously, I need more water.
Are you making a volcano?
Yeah.
Then what do you got going on?
So I have the water and the sugar in here. I put my yeast in, and now you're gonna let it sit for like about 5 minutes to make sure that your water was warm enough and not too hot, not too cold. It's gonna froth up and get really bubbly, and then you know that you're good to go, and then you just gotta add the flour into it. Okay, so here they are. I made more than 12, but mine are a little bit shorter. Kind of learn as you go, but I'm just gonna put this in the oven for 12 minutes and then I'll show you guys what they look like when they come out. And then it says to melt some butter and have some garlic ready. So I'm melting some butter in there. I got some garlic, so we're gonna see what they look like when they come out.
So here we have it. Jen and the girls did a great job. Here's what $1.15 worth of Aldi's flour will get you, plus a little bit more money for oil and yeast. We have plenty of meals here. We're going to have tacos. We're going to do an Olive Garden night with these amazing garlic breadsticks, get some pretzels, and then we're going to do some homemade chicken noodle soup with the egg noodles Katie made. We've got a snowy blizzard coming in here tomorrow, so we're looking forward to that. Oh, those breadsticks smell so good. Is there garlic on those?
Mm-hmm. Garlic and butter, yep. So that one package of flour went a huge way. I mean, you have pasta for one night, tacos for another night, breadsticks for another night, and then pretzels for dessert. And then I couldn't stop. I had to keep going. I had another bag of flour, so I'm making cinnamon bread times 2. And then I'm also doing some more regular bread. So this is almost ready to go. So I'll have 3 loaves of bread as well. So once I got started, I couldn't stop. But just for the one bag of flour and a little bit of water and oil, we got all this food.
$1.15 worth of flour from Aldi's. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to check out a recent video we did called 42 Homestead Dinners for Under $20. We fed our entire family of 6 for a week some amazing meals, all for under $20. We had a great time with this video and it's really blowing up. We think you'll enjoy it. Link in the description below. Next time on Homestead How, we head to the hardware store to pick up some supplies so that we can set up our winter wall tent and do some cold weather camping. For more great videos, be sure to subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.